Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to talk about how you can claim your Nodepay voucher code. In order to do so, here we are at nodepay.ai. And the first thing you're going to want to do is install Nodepay. In order to proceed and get your reward, you are going to need to install that. So we're going to go ahead and click on install Nodepay, and we're going to install the extension into our Chrome browser, or here to Brave. So we're going to go ahead and click on that, click add extension, and the Nodepay extension has been added to Brave now. So we also want to make sure that we are signing up and logging in. So let's go ahead and go back here. We're going to click on login. And here you could see that we can click register, and you can enter in with your email, username, password. And if you have a referral code, then you can enter that in there. So we're going to go ahead and go through the steps here. Just going to hit pause and we'll be right back. Okay, so we have our basic details set up, and one thing that I noticed here is it does appear that referral code is a mandatory field that you need to fill out. So I did a little bit of research on that and found that there are referral codes available that you can get some free points with. So I went ahead and popped one in there. We're going to go ahead and register and see how this works out. Okay, so this has said that we're registered successfully. Now we want to go ahead and go back to login. Actually, I think in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to log in to the extension. So we're going to click on extension. We're going to go there. We're going to log in. Okay, it looks like that's just opening that back up again. No problem. And let's go ahead and just do a quick login and be right back. Okay, and we are successfully logged in now. So I'm just trying to save that, but that's not working out. So we also have here that there's a limited time offer. There's free points on X. So follow us to be eligible and find them before they're gone. So why not? Let's go ahead and follow on X. And we come back over here, see if that does anything. It's fine. We're not going to concern ourselves too much with that. What we're looking for is going to be here under missions and rewards on the left-hand side. So let's go ahead and click on that. And here we have our points earned, mission completed. Let's see here. So we have to complete this special mission to unlock bonus rewards, only available for a limited time. Okay, search Nodepay airdrop on Google, complete the questionnaire, and hit the goal in 72 hours. Answer the question. So this is expired. Okay, so this is expired as well. Okay, here we go. So we have our daily treasure claim here that we could grab. So we'll go ahead and do that. And we have gotten some node points. Okay, and then it appears that in order to find what we're looking for specifically, we want to go to our profile icon. So is that this here? It does appear that that's the case. Let's go ahead and do that. And let's see here. Okay, so here we have it. Claim voucher. So this is what we're looking for. We can go ahead and click on that. And then from here, we want to enter the voucher code. Okay. So this is interesting. Let me go ahead and take a look here. That might be in an email, and we'll continue from there. Okay, and after a little bit of research, basically the voucher is something that it appears you need to find this on forums related to Nodepay. So you might want to get in contact with Nodepay directly in order to find out about your voucher code. That is, the information is somewhat vague in terms of where you can get it, but I would expect that it is gained from other users, or you can contact Nodepay and request it. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.